Today we're going to be making sweet pickles that doesn't have to be refrigerated. You can put them on your shelf for several months and still have a good sweet pickle when you get ready to eat those. If you like our videos, click the subscribe button in the bottom corner, and at the very bottom there is a bell. You can click on it. Every time we upload new videos, it will notify you that we have uploaded a new video. If you would share this with other people that you know that would be interesting. And also there's a comment area at the bottom. Leave us your comments of things that you like that we're doing, things that you would like to see us do, things that you think that we may be doing wrong. We want the criticism. And then that's the only way that we can improve, is to know what we're doing wrong, to know what we're doing right. And there's also a thumbs up at the bottom. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Come and join us. Thank you very much. Okay, let's get started here. The first thing that you're going to need is your vinegar. And if you'll stick around to the end of the video, I will give you the exact recipe and everything that you need. Then you'll need sugar, and then pickling salt, celery seed, turmeric, I think I'm pronouncing that right. I've never been good with some of these names, and mustard seed. Then you'll bring that to a boil. And then in the meantime, while that's coming to a boil, you can pack your jars. Now, we've already sanitized these jars. If you need to know how the proper way of sanitizing jars are, we did a previous video on sanitizing jars, and you can go back and watch that video. And I will also, at the end of this video, I will set a link to it to where you can click on it and go directly to it. But you want to get your cucumbers in there to where they're about 1/2 to 3/4 inch below the top of the jar, because you have to have some head space in there for everything to come out the way it's supposed to. We're just going to make a few jars today, just so everybody can see how it's done, how easy it is. And these are a shelf-stable sweet pickle. You don't have to keep these in the refrigerator their entire life. We've put them on the shelf and kept them for right at a year, and they were still good pickles. A lot of the recipes that you see for sweet pickles, they're what they call refrigerated pickles, and they have to be kept in the refrigerator. And then a lot of the sweet pickles are just extremely complicated that I had found. And this is a a easy recipe. If I do it, it's got to be easy. All right. What we'll do, we'll bring this to a boil and we'll be right back. Okay, we have brought that to a boil and we have let it sit there and simmer for just a couple of minutes. Now what we do is fill your jars. You leave about a half an inch or so from the rim. And our lids, we had already sanitized those earlier. And put your lids on them. And then from there, you will put them back into your water that you sanitized your jars in. You will let those boil there for about 3 to 5 minutes. And we will be right back. Okay. In these videos, if you find that they're informative to you, if you would click the subscribe button at the bottom. If this particular video itself has been informative to you, click the like button and share it with someone that may find it interesting, can use the information. But after you do that, you let it set for about 10-12 hours. Come back, make sure that the lid has sealed down, and put them on the shelf. Let them set for at least a week, preferably 2 weeks. Then from there you can put your jar in the refrigerator and cool them down and have some good sweet pickles that will last for a while on the shelf. And that's it. And I'll give you that tip. Thank you very much.